So you've completed your walk, you've completed your run. It's time to cool down and get some appropriate stretching in. The key to stretching after a workout is holding that stretch 30 to 45 seconds. That length of time signals the brain to tell the muscle to relax. It's over. Just let it go. So that's one of the reasons we don't do static stretching at the beginning of exercise. We focus on dynamic movement for a warm-up. It's all about hitting all of the muscles that we've been using in that exercise. We want to hit the calf, we want to hit the hamstring, we want to hit the glutes, and we want to hit the quads. So I'm going to bring it down on the mat. There are some of these exercises you can do standing. I would recommend bring it on down. Take a break, rest, try to bring your breathing down, let the heart rate come down a little bit. And if you're laying down or sitting, you're going to tend to hold that stretch a little bit longer. When you're standing, you feel like you're kind of, okay, let's just get this over with and go. So don't rush your stretches. Again, 30 to 45 seconds for each one. I highly recommend, if you need it and want it, it can help, an assistant to that stretch. I'm using a dog leash, but you can use a back towel, or if you have a stretch band or even a yoga strap, those would work great too. So the first thing we want to do is stretch out the calf. So you want to put that around the ball of your foot, straighten the leg, and pull. Pull that as tight as you can, and remember to hold that for 30 to 45 seconds. You can do it you can do one side and then switch to the other and then do it again if it feels good. All right, so getting that calf to release, and again, this is a good one to release the Achilles and that fascia on the bottom of the foot. All right, the next one we're going to move to is a hamstring stretch. And I showed you this in the plantar fascia and shin split release. So bring it up, again, pull that toe, try to keep the leg straight and pull, all right? If you don't have a strap, that's okay. You can reach behind the leg and pull in. I'm pretty flexible, so I can pull pretty far, but if your hamstrings are tight and you're not quite as flexible, you want to pull it as far in as you can, but as soon as the knee starts bending, that's as far as you go. A bent leg with a knee joint bent is not going to release that hamstring. It's about keeping it straight and pull. All right? We want to hit the quad. What I like to do with the quad laying down, you're going to come over on one side. You can rest your head here or bring it up. Keep your knees together. You don't want this one cocked in here. So keep those knees lined up, grab the foot, and pull. Don't let the knee come back. Keep those knees stacked on top of each other and pull that ankle. It's a great quad release here. Okay? The other one is a glute stretch. You're going to cross one ankle over, and then you can lift and pull. When you press the knee away, it'll get a deeper glute stretch. If you're using that strap, you can pull here and just pull in this way and really get the glutes and the hips. This is a great glute and hip release. All right, so I hope that helps. Don't skip your warm-up. Don't skip your cool down. Stretch out the muscles. And again, remember, warm-up and appropriate cool down are your best friends to prevent injury. Hope you guys are enjoying the challenge.